In this video we will learn how to allow inline code completion on PyCharm IDE. Let's see. So here is our PyCharm IDE. Okay, so let's say I'll type print and it will automatically show me inline code completion. Okay, so how we can enable this? For that, go to File, click Settings. Here is our settings. For inline code completion, you need to go to Editor, under Journal, go below and you can find the inline code completion. Or if you are unable to find it, okay, what you can do, you can directly mention inline completion and here it is. Okay, click here and here you will get an option to download the model for inline code completion. I already clicked on Python and an option was visible here so that I can download the 100 MB. So I'm using PyCharm for Python, so I already clicked on it and downloaded it. You just need to click here, enable local full line completion suggestions. So click here, after that select Python and download the model. Click apply and then click OK. Restart PyCharm and you will be able to get such code completions. And you will be able to get such code completions everywhere under your PyCharm. For a free PyCharm tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added a free Python tutorial. Thank you for watching.